Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an RFID card system. First, let's get your hardware ready. Begin by identifying your RFID reader and antenna. Connect the reader to a stable power source, typically a 5-volt or 12-volt supply. Then, carefully position your antenna, ensuring it's clear of obstructions for the best possible read range, often several inches to a few feet depending on the model. This foundational step is crucial for reliable performance. Next, we'll prepare your computer. Install the specific drivers required for your RFID reader, usually found on the manufacturer's website. After that, download their software development kit, or SDK, which provides tools for interaction. Open the software and configure the communication settings, like the serial port and baud rate, to match your reader. A common baud rate is 9,600 or 115,200. This ensures your computer can talk to the RFID hardware. Now, let's enroll your RFID cards. Launch the RFID software application on your computer. Place an RFID card near the reader to scan it. The software will display its unique identification number. Once the ID is captured, you can assign specific access permissions or data to that card within the system. For example, you might grant access to a particular door or log an event. Repeat this process for all cards you wish to use. Finally, it's time to test your setup. Use an enrolled RFID card and present it to the reader. Verify that the system responds as expected, whether it's granting access, logging an event, or performing another programmed action. Also, test a card that is not enrolled to ensure it is correctly denied. If you encounter issues like inconsistent reads or no response, check your connections, power supply, and software settings. A quick check can resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.